Here's a car that marked the half-century mark of the Chevrolet Corvette. This is the 2003 50th anniversary Corvette. This one here is a coupe with a removable top. Of course, being the 50th anniversary car, it is in anniversary red with the taupe colored interior. This particular one is an automatic. As you can see, very nice shape. You're going to have a few, if I can get them to kind of show up, that's a couple little, just tiny imperfections in the paint where you'll pick up just a little bit of chips or what have you. But as you can see, nose of this car, very, very clean. Approximately about 32,000 miles on it. 31,900 and some, I believe it is. So I'm going to give you a good look at the front. Very nice shape. Paint's in nice shape. Interior's in nice shape. It's a two-owner car. Clean Carfax. Spent the majority of its life in Florida before coming here to us with a second owner. Check out the still pictures. If you want to see how nice and clean this car is underneath the engine bay, trunk, interior, check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Feel free to give us a call too. 507-386-1726. We've sold probably, at least a half dozen to a dozen of them over the past year and a half to 2 years. Pretty popular car, one of the more popular Corvettes, especially in the C5s. Very nice, rich looking car. We do consider trades. Maybe if you got another Corvette you want to trade or something you'd like to trade in on this, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you in getting the transportation arranged and set up to where you're located at. Come up and show you the interior too here. So like I said, automatic transmission, selective ride control. Take a look at the seats too. You know where they wear if you're familiar with these Corvettes. The bolsters, getting in and out, passenger seat like new. You get kind of the rubber floor mats down over the other floor mats. So yeah, one of those cars. Very well taken care of. I'll get around to the driver's side and show you too. When I said removable roof earlier, that panel there can be removed, stored in the rear of the car. Speaking of which, this one's going to have an extra set of wipers, and there's kind of a burgundy 50th anniversary Corvette travel bag. We'll leave in the car itself. So like I said, check out the still pictures. You want to see the underside. Everything I've seen in this car appears stock, no other exhaust, anything like that. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Phone number 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with this car. As you can see up and down the sides, don't see a lot of nicks, dings, or scratches. I got a couple smudges on there from just getting in and out of the car earlier when I was checking the exact mileage and what have you. So no imperfections there, just a little bit of smudge in the paint. We'll wipe off with a little detail towel and spray wax. Alright, and as you can see, the Bose stereo system, power windows, locks, mirrors. Of course, the tilt the cruise. This one has heads-up display. Like I said, that selective ride control. Extremely well-equipped Corvettes, these anniversary cars were. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Check out the exact miles, and you can hear this run. Oh, let me quick show you the seat too. Very little wear to the bolsters and the seat itself. Let's go ahead and start it. Alright, there you go, 31,990. Like I said, just shy of 32,000. Your heads-up control over there. Driver's information center controls, dash and everything. Just what you'd expect. CD player, dual climate control. Like I said, it's Bose system. All the goodies. Slip around back so you can hear it. Nothing out of the ordinary. It's that stock Corvette rumble to it. Let's go ahead. I'm going to pop this door. I tell you what, let me pause this video a second so I can pop that hood, and let's check out the engine bay. All right, hood popped. See the light underneath the hood works. That's what's giving me this glare right there too, FYI. All right, there we go. Check out that 5.7 liter. And as you can see, just bone stock, regular air cleaner. Looks like somebody may have put a K&N air filter in it. Other than that, just what you'd expect from a well taken care of, adult driven C5 Corvette. So there you go, 2003 50th anniversary Chevrolet Corvette, just shy of 32,000 miles, automatic transmission, 2-owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Give us a call. Number's 507-386-1726. Of course, the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trades are considered, financing is available, and of course we can assist you and help you set up the transportation to where you're located at. Give us a call.